guys were on Roxy's blog. Just want to say Costa Rica, you know.
Hello! We made it to Costa Rica. We're gonna just stop at this like little butterfly hummingbird sanctuary. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. And then I think we only have like 1 more hour up the mountain. We're going to La Fortuna and we're staying at like a hot springs place. And then we're going to the famous Tabacon hot springs. So we'll show you around there, but I'm so excited. It's like gray, but it's actually really beautiful. It's like nice weather, not too hot, not too cold. It's like perfect, and it smells so good here. I wish you guys can smell it. It's just like farm, and you can smell all the cows. It's amazing. Oh, look how cute! Look at the little hummingbirds. You sure you don't want to do it? You enjoying it?
Oh,
Is Booby enjoying it?
look at that purple. Oh my god. Oh my god, that almost hit me in the eye. Oh my god. You gotta be careful with your eyes here. I feel like there's some flies in your face.
Oh, there's the butterfly garden. Wow, it's beautiful. You're gonna be on my YouTube video.
So excited.
5 top best places to go in Costa Rica.
5 do's and don'ts, starting in my room.
Oh, I'm so excited. He said that you have to sit down and then they come and sit on you. Wow. Oh,
Wow.
oh my gosh.
Wow. On the flesh.
Oh my gosh.
And if we sit,
Do you see them, Shia? They're eating bananas. They catch them sitting on us. Oh my gosh. I didn't know they were that big. It's like they like dance with each other a little bit.
They do. You see there's always 2 together.
Yeah.
Let me see first time.
I hear the rain a little bit.
How many days the battery? How many days? 1? Depends. The big one.
Look at these, it's so interesting.
that corner is the nicest.
Let's see if one's gonna land on me. Oh, woo! It's so beautiful. Woo! Ooh, it's raining a lot. It's here, the entrance. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful that is. Oh wow, the butterfly sanctuary was amazing. It was so pretty. There's this cute little trail. I don't know if we're gonna do it because it's raining a lot, but we're probably gonna go get a bite to eat after. So take you guys out. There's all these places called soda. I think it's like that's what they call like the little stands and things like that. So we're gonna go have a little bite to eat there. But this was amazing, and it's on the way to La Fortuna, so it's not too far from La Fortuna. I'm just covering the camera because it's raining. But yeah, so excited to get there. I think we have like another hour and a half, so not too bad.
All those ducks here.
Look at all those ducks. Wow.
You have the same design pattern. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's like what I was destined to do. Oh my god. God, it's just what I knew it would be like this. Wait, come taste a little bit.
You taste a little bit.
Ask her, can I?
Booby, you okay?
We can drink it, no?
You know, a bit of a shot.
It's unpasteurized, but it's up to you.
It's literally like your food.
Oh, it's a shot.
Good. Wait, I want this video again.
Wow. We're at the waterfall hike. And it's about, I think it's like 2 miles, sorry, 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers. There's like 2 options. And I think one of them is like 2 hours, one of them is 3 hours, something like that. But I think we're gonna do the shorter one. Unless we can't see the waterfall, then we're probably gonna try to do the longer one. I really didn't bring good shoes because I brought like Birkenstocks. They actually don't allow you to come in without sneakers, so just FYI. My love. Oh, it really is like Jurassic Park. Turn around, my love. Best time.
They're going to start shooting themselves.
It's a bit of a hike. I wore Birkenstocks. Don't wear Birkenstocks. Actually, I don't think they'll even let you in. Oh, it's beautiful though. I'm just gonna go by you and I'm not gonna look. Oh my gosh, pumpkin. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Wow, that was amazing. There are a lot of people that go on the bridge though, so you just gotta wait for the perfect time. But wow, that was beautiful. And the sun's coming out now. Oh, honestly, I think it's the down season right now, but I love it. Like it rained so hard last night and we were in the hot springs and it was amazing, honestly. The hot springs here are actually really, really hot. It's like jacuzzi hot. So when the rain starts pouring, it's just so nice, and there's waterfalls everywhere. It's so beautiful. Actually, I actually like it better rainy, because I feel like it's supposed to be like rainforest vibes. So in the dry season, I don't know how it is, but I'm sure it's still beautiful. But if you want to just go for a quick trip where it's not too expensive, really recommend it. I'm gonna walk back to everybody else. Oh, so peaceful. I think we are halfway there. I think when you get to the bridge, it's like halfway. And then I think it's downhill. It's like uphill all the way up. I wore Birks. Not the best idea. Yeah.
Fortuna Waterfall.
Oh, this is beautiful. See? Oh, look at that. Snack break. Third bridge. Oh my gosh, this one's scary. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm not looking down. Oh my gosh, that one was scary.
Oh, look at this.
Can I see? Oh, I see it. Yeah, wow, it's big.
Some fly shit. It's sitting at the house like I bought it in 96. Cause honestly, I'm too fucking busy to drive a stick, I swear. But I ain't finished though. It's been a minute though.
Look at me.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my tribe. Ooh.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
May I help you? Like marijuana.
The cute little mushrooms. Yeah.
Shower, like body edit. So hey.
Thank you so much. Wait, I want to get a...
You want to be the hairy one?
That one's free.